right, riding, bad space cushion. I can't see anything, so positioning's not that great. And look at that. Don't hit them. Don't hit them. Let's go take a look at that one real quick. We're gonna power through a lot of these. We spent too much time last week. All right, so right here, I don't like this positioning. We can't see around this vehicle. I'd be off to the sides a little bit more. Lane position 1 or 3. If I was right here, I could see in between these vehicles. I can't see anything here. If this person decides to apply the brakes really quick, I have to stop within this distance. I don't like having just this much distance. I want to see why this person's braking, because once I see this person's reason, I'm going to start braking because I'm more situationally aware before this guy will start braking. I don't want to brake off of this guy's reaction. I want to brake off the other person's reaction. So this is a bad spot. He's not speeding. I don't think ego's there, but this is just kind of that yellow stage. I'm zoned in, but I don't know what I'm supposed to be zoned in for. So class, what we're trying to focus here is you could be doing everything you think is right and you're doing it really well, but what you don't know can hurt you. So if you don't know that you're not supposed to be in this position, so because you can't see and you're just doing this really well, well, there's other training opportunities you can do. Okay. Do you have a gap in your knowledge? This is probably it. So right here, not knowing that this vehicle is coming up on our right is that whole 360 situational awareness. We need to be focusing on checking our mirrors, doing head checks, even when we're not wanting to change lanes. I'm always looking at my mirrors that are positioned in a way that I can see any of abnormal things, uncommon things in a common situation. All of a sudden I see a car in my mirror just kind of coming up. It's just like right here, getting closer and closer. I'm like, what is that? I'm constantly scanning for that kind of stuff, and you should too. Now, that driver's a dum-dum, but I wouldn't do that. Same rider, blind spot, merge issue, same issue as the previous. I don't know, guys. Common denominator there. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, link in description.